Okay, at the end of the previous video, I said why we should even bother ourselves adding or subtracting two polynomials. And by that I meant, why should we write the sum of two polynomials in the way we did in the previous video. And I said that adding makes the sum as a polynomial with less terms. And I said no one likes things to be crowded, complicated, whatever, having more terms. And I want to give you a reason why we don't want things to be crowded. That is that we don't need just to write the sum of two polynomials as a single polynomial, but we may need to do more mathematical operations on that, like multiply it by another polynomial or square it. I haven't talked about multiplication of polynomials or squaring polynomials yet. For instance, consider this. Suppose this is inside the parentheses, we got the sum of two polynomials which multiplied by another polynomial. Okay, this is harder than multiplying a shorter sum into the same second polynomial or second parenthesis. So let's have an example of subtracting two polynomials, which is writing the difference of them as a single polynomial. This is our first polynomial minus another polynomial inside the parentheses plus 2y plus 3. Okay, now here we should get rid of the parentheses by multiplying this minus into the terms of the second polynomial. So here I just wrote down the first polynomial from x cubed at the beginning to here. Okay, this is the first polynomial minus 2x cubed minus x, which is plus x, minus 2xy squared, which is plus 2xy squared, minus positive 2y squared is minus 2y squared, and minus 3 the last term. Okay, here we got 1x cubed, here we got minus 2x cubed, so that would be minus x cubed. Here 3xy squared, here 2xy squared, so 5xy squared. Here y squared, here minus 2y squared, so minus y squared. Here's minus x, here plus x, they cancel each other out, 0. plus 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. So the difference of these two polynomials is this, with much less terms. Okay, much less term with respect to the whole thing above. Or in comparison to the terms of these two above.